Hey brother, it's the Macho Man. I'm gonna show you my room here at Encore. Let's check it out.
Let's go.
Here we go.
Ooh yeah. Welcome to the Encore Resort King. I'm the Macho Man. I'm gonna show you my room. We got a bathroom. You can eat your Slim Jims in the tub. Big enough for one. No jets. Shower with a wand. Good. Water pressure. Over here, you got an amazing blow dry for my hair. Miss Elizabeth loves it too. And when you're done with your when you're done with the tub, you've got a nice robe. Only one though. Got a phone in the toilet too, like a fancy folk. Once you go in the hallway, you got one of those safes in the room. Miss Elizabeth loves to put her jewels in there. Come over here. You got a mini bar. Macho Man don't care about price. I use what I want. Then a king size bed. Only way to test it is with a big elbow drop on top. That's a comfy bed. Fancy TV, all the storage you need. Ooh yeah, I like this living space. Miss Elizabeth lounging out on the couch. I like to get my business done at the desk. And then when you need to look outside, you say, Alexa, open the shears. And I look out on my kingdom of madness. Ooh yeah! If you didn't like that video, there's something wrong with you. You better hit that like and subscribe. Follow Josh and Rachel. We'll see you again.